ends are squared. A bulge location is selected and heated in the induction forge. The tube is gently tapped while being rotated. The bulge will slowly develop. Thin-walled tube can get out of alignment. It can be easily realigned on a mandrel at any time. The bulge can only swell so far before it deforms and becomes a fold. Here is a typical, easy-to-make bulge. Shown are two wall thickness tubes that have had a bulge created. The wall thickness in the bulge remains the same as the original tube wall. The bulge can be incorporated into other elements, like a flower. The flower is forged, incorporating the bulge. The flower tip and bulge are forged into a flare in the next series. The flare could be forged out further as desired.